Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to add colors to our shapes. So let's get started. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to draw our shape like this. And then our shape is already filled with white with a stroke color of black. There are three ways in changing the color of your shape. The first way is to change it from here on the control panel. You change it to, let's say, blue, and you can change the stroke to, let's say, red or orange. Then the second way is to change it from here on your color swatch, here like this. You click and then you can change, you select it, then you can either change it to green and yeah, something like that. And then the other way is to change it from the toolbar. So you can select your shape, you can double click here and try to move you drag your cursor until you find the perfect color that you want. Click on it and then click OK. So you see this arrow here. If I want my fill color to be orange and my stroke to be pink, I will click on this and then it will swap the colors. Then if you want to change your stroke color from the swatches panel, you can just highlight this so that this one comes on top, and then you will come here and change your stroke color like that. Yes, so that is how you change colors for your shapes using Illustrator. Side note, if you're not seeing your swatches panel, you go to window and then you click on swatches and it will appear like that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on other videos. Bye!